Hello, Bima. My name is Tasika Bola. My father's name Malum Tuti Bola. My mother's name Onamka Teka. My grandfather's name Lilakanto Bola. My school name London Kids School. I live in Kasnasai. I live in Baitasari.
What is our national song?
Bande Mataram.
What is our national animal?
Tiger.
What is our national river?
Gonga.
What is our national tree?
Banana.
What is our national flower?
Lotus.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
What is our national game?
Hockey.
What is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is our national vegetables?
Oh, yes, sir.
Vegetables.
Mama, take a
National vegetables.
pumpkin.